Hello, third graders. Welcome to Reading Research. This is video number 7, and it's titled Growing Ideas About Nonfiction. Third graders, I've been looking at some of your note-taking, and great job taking notes on one subtopic. You are doing the very, very important work of noticing the main idea and supporting details in your nonfiction reading. Third graders, you are learning what the author wants you to learn when you understand the main idea and the supporting details. So you've been collecting notes and jotting down facts across one subtopic, whether it's a subtopic about an octopus or a coyote. Today, third graders, I want to teach you that it's really important not just to collect information, but to think your own thoughts. Today, you are going to learn how to grow your own ideas about nonfiction. So one way we do this is that we study our subject. So you need to think about the coyote or the octopus, and you need to think about their motivations, their traits, and what are their struggles? Do they struggle to survive? Do they struggle to get food? And so third graders, the same way you think about your nonfiction, the same way you think about fiction characters, I want you to think that way about the subject that you are reading about in nonfiction. Okay, so listen as I model how to think your own thoughts and to grow your own ideas about nonfiction. So I am going to read about the penguin and think about, what are the penguin's motivations, traits, and struggles? So listen carefully, and third graders, try to put yourself into the scene or the setting so that you can get a better idea of the struggles or the traits or the motivations of a penguin. Okay, so this is taken from a penguin book called The Whispering Land, and it says, early in the morning, one of the parent birds, either male or female, would set out toward the sea, leaving its mate in charge of the nestlings. I'm going to read that over. Third graders, I already have a thought. I already am kind of thinking my own ideas about penguins. Early in the morning, one of the parent birds, either male or female, would set out toward the sea, leaving its mate in charge of the nestlings. Yes, third graders, I am thinking that the penguins do not have a gender role. That means that either one takes care of the baby. Maybe the male or the female goes out and gets the food for the baby. In many animals that I've read about, usually the female takes care of the young, and the male animal goes out and gets the food. So, boys and girls, I'm going to take my reading research notebook and look underneath my tabs. I've tabbed it just like you have, and I'm thinking I'm going to find the tab behaviors, and I'm going to jot down a note about my own thoughts on a penguin behaviors. I'm thinking penguins, they don't have strict gender roles. They share the responsibilities of parenting. So I jotted my own idea down underneath the tab, behaviors. And boys and girls, I read on, and as I continued to read about penguins, I thought carefully and deeply about their traits, their motivations, and their struggles. I jotted down some more information, and I put it underneath the tab behaviors. And as I read on, third graders, I noticed that penguins struggle. They are so committed to their young that they do anything for them. They even do grueling treks to the sea to get food for their young. So here is an example of jotting down notes that I took. It is an example of growing my own idea about nonfiction. So today and every day, boys and girls, continue to read across your 5 or 6 articles and jot down a few notes. And can you grow an idea? Can you think your own thoughts about a nonfiction topic? And as you continue to read, add on to your ideas and continue to grow your ideas about your nonfiction topic. Okay, readers, I really hope you're enjoying this nonfiction unit. Remember, you are not writing a research report. You are practicing reading skills. You are practicing note-taking. So this is not about a big report. This is about note-taking skills. Happy reading, and boys and girls, think of one nice thing you can do today for your family or your brothers and sisters. Okay, thank you.